Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review StoryDoc. StoryDoc is a minimal alternative of Microsoft PowerPoint. And see, here they are saying StoryDoc lets you create engaging interactive presentation, white papers, case studies, and more the set you apart from your competition. So this is basically one slide maker or presentation maker. Now, if you want to see the lifetime deal pricing of this StoryDoc, they are offering here up to license tier 3. The single license tier pricing is 69 USD. Here you will get unlimited slide and versions you can create in all license tier basically, and only the difference is this number of user and this StoryDoc branding. So if you do not like branding and if you think you want complete white label feature, then you have to get at least this license tier 2, which is 149 USD. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on StoryDoc lifetime deal. And see, this tool has gotten 7 reviews on AppSumo, and the reviews are almost 5 stars, so everyone is saying that the tool is good. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of StoryDoc and let's explore how things work there and how it can be helpful for us. See, this is the dashboard of StoryDoc and it's very minimal and very beautiful looking dashboard. So the user experience of this tool is good. Now to create new folder, you can create new folder and you can organize your presentation from here basically. Also you can see all your template from here, and there have some StoryDoc template, that means the pre-made template from StoryDoc. But at first I will explore the blank template. See, from your template, and here have create a new StoryDoc. Start from template, duplicate existing story, start from blank, import PDF and set your brand. At first, let me start from blank and let me show you what features they are offering here. So just click here, start from blank. Then it will take some time, and then you will get this type of interface basically here. And see, it's really amazing, I think. And here you can add your title. Let me add the title. Let's say Passivern 11, and here maybe I can add my logo. So let me change the media from here. So I can change the media basically from here. I can upload media, I can upload presentation, and here all your files will be saved. Let's say I'll select this one, and you can maybe crop it in different way. See, and then you can just select the image. You can also move the image. Let me select it, and then you can move the image in various places basically. And then you can zoom it, zoom out it, you can rotate it in different way, and then just click here, select image, and then the image will be added here basically. So these are the things. And then let me show you. See, there have different slide. See, slide 2, and this is slide 3. But the tool is taking time to load because we are working on web. So as we are working on web, that's why the tool is taking time to reload. These are the things. I hope you get idea. Now let me here add on new slide. Just click here, new slide, and then it will show something like that. And from here you have to select the structure. See, that's really great, guys. On PowerPoint presentation you cannot get this type of thing, you have to do everything manually. But see, here are the skeletal structure. You can see what kind of thing you can do with these structures. Let's say I will select this one, and then after selecting, let me show you what happened. Then see, I have gotten this type of feature. Here I can insert the title, I can insert the description, and there have one chart. If I select this chart, here I can edit the data. Just click here, edit data, and then see, there have first title, series number, second title, series number. Let's say here I'll change the title. Let me give the title as number of subscriber. Now in this YouTube channel I have a total number of 480 subscriber, guys. So if you are not the subscriber in this channel, please subscribe this channel. Anyway, guys, now you can change the color also. Let's say I'll keep this color, or let me make it more bold, and then save it. So these are the things. Now let's say you want to add more data here. Just click here on this plus icon, then maybe you can duplicate the item. See, you can duplicate the item from here. Let's say in future I will have total 480k subscriber, and then if I just click here OK, then let's see what will happen. Then I hope this row will be added here also. See, it's taking time to reload. See, here are the data basically, and this amount is huge. That's why here you are seeing it like that. These are the things. I hope you get idea. You can create this type of chart basically here, and then see they have title, series title, they have series prefix, dollar, and here is million. See, here 15 million dollar, and here are 480 million dollar. So these are the things, and then they have different design of this chart. See, let me select this one, and then I hope the chart design will be changed. That's really great, guys. Let me show you. Just wait some time to reload. See, it will be like that. And then if I select this line, then let me show you what will happen. So that's really great, guys. And in this way you can here select donut, you can select here stacked vertical, you can select stacked horizontal, bar line, you can select area, then scatter, then bubble. You can select these things basically here. See, this is donut type of graph. These are the things. I hope you get idea, and there have different style. You can change the styles basically from here, and then see they have different layout. You can change different layout from here. Then they have style, you can change the style also from here. I hope you get idea, guys. And in sliding there have a lot of feature. Let me show you more feature, guys. Let me add one new slide, and then here see that, and these are the most popular options, but there have text and images. If I select it, then see these are the slides for text and images. See, these are the slides for only text and images. Let's say you want one slide for chart, so in this case you have to just select here this chart option, then you will get the slides for chart. See, a lot of slides are available here. So that's really amazing, guys, and I hope this tool will be helpful to create amazing and fantastic type of presentation for you. So if I select videos, see here are the video template. Let me explore the template. See, the templates are very nice looking template, and then similarly they have embedded option, who we are, then they have the problem, what do we do, the result, features, our customers, they have testimonial template, our team template, the solution template, call to action, roadmap. So let's say I will select the last one from here. Let's say I will select what do we do, and then see these are the template that have what do you do. So that's really great type of design, guys. So these are the things. Let's say I will select here this one. If I select this one, then it will be added on the slide, and then you can customize it, you can edit it by your own. So this StoryDoc is a great alternative of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation tool, guys. And this tool do not have a lot of feature like Microsoft PowerPoint, but this tool have all the essential feature that you need to create a quick presentation for your job, for your any kind of work basically. I hope you get idea, and see they have almost all type of necessary feature that you will be needed for your presentation. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And then they have design setting. If I go to this design setting, then let's see what will happen. Here you can basically change your theme colors, you can change your background color too. You can here add stories related industry, so you can select which industry, on which industry you are working, and then maybe it will customize it depending on your industry. And then they have text style, buttons, advanced setting, so you can change your text styling, buttons, and on advanced setting there have maybe more advanced feature. Let me show you. See, there have margin bottom, margin subtitle margin bottom, then paragraph margin bottom. These things you can change basically from here. I hope you get idea. Also they have a mobile version view and desktop version view. So you can basically design your presentation for mobile and desktop version both in this tool. I hope you get idea. And then you have to save these things from here. They have setting, you can undo redo from here. If I go to this general setting, here you can basically change the story internal name and public story title. I'm not changing. You can here change the preview image. You can share the description. That means you can write the presentation description here. I hope you get idea, guys. Now here you can preview it from here. Let me preview it. Just click here preview, and then you will be able to see the presentation preview what I have created right now. Let me show you. See, this is the presentation that I have created basically. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this StoryDoc tool. The tool is very easy to use, very minimal tool, and it will help you to create quick presentation nicely, so that you can create any type of presentation in very beautiful way basically. But here one thing I want to mention, guys, this tool will not offer you a lot of fancy feature that PowerPoint presentation will offer, because Microsoft is big, right? But StoryDoc will offer you the most essential feature that you need to create a beautiful looking presentation. I hope you get idea. Now there I have more feature. See, if I here set your brand, if I click here on this set your brand, then they will ask you what presentation do you need. Let's say I will need one business proposal, and then here they will ask you for the email maybe, and then here I have to select the industry. Let's say my industry is education, and then if I click here next, then here they will ask you to select one template. Let's say I will select, let's say I will select from here this second one. Just click here, use this template, and then here they will search your logo, your font, your color basically. Here you can select your color template. Here you can select your logo, your video. You can change your videos from here. You can change your logo from here. Let me change the logo. Just click here, and then let's say I will add one of the logo that I have added previously. Let me select this image. Let me select, guys, and then it will be added as my logo. You can change the video also. You can change logo size, font, color, everything you can change. And then if you do everything, then just click here next. Then let's see what will happen. Then basically it will create the presentation template for you based on your information that you have given. Now you can edit this information from here. See, business proposal for, and then the company. Here you have to insert the company name basically, and let it be loaded, guys. Just it's buffering. Yeah, and I hope they will create one application so that we can use it in offline, because it's loading a lot, guys. See, it's taking a lot of time to load. So still it's loading. Let me show you the preview from here. See, here is the preview, and then it's very nice looking, beautiful looking template, guys. I really like it. See, they have very nice animation, very nice icons. They have, the fonts are very good. They have background image, and also background videos are available here. See, this is basically one background video. So these are the things, guys. Now you can share this template to your colleague, to the people who you want. You can basically, they're saying that uh, okay, I have to do some authentication thing, but you can basically share this template to your colleagues. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this StoryDoc tool. The tool is really amazing and very easy to use. Now I will show you the StoryDoc template. The last thing that I want to show you, see, there I have a lot of template for company presentation, for sales, one pager, blank template, startup pitch deck, then invest deck, sales pitch deck, report template, fashion business plan, general business proposal template. These are the template. If I click here load more template, then there I have more and more template, guys. If I click again to load more template, then they have more templates. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. A lot of templates are available. You can also use this template. very beautifully designed template, guys, available here. There have template for sales and marketing, pitch decks, for proposal, for startups. Then there have for freelance, for browsers, case study, long form. A lot of templates are available. So these are the things. And then there have my analytics. If I go to this my analytics section, here you will be able to see the analytics of your presentation, how many people have read your presentation, from which country they have read your presentation, session, average reading time, then start reading, then completed reading. That means how many percent of people have started the reading and how many percent of people have completed the reading, and how many percentage of people clicked on your call to action button. Here you can see all type of statistics that you need basically for various date, for various timing from here basically. I hope you get idea. Also they have sitting. If I go to the sitting section, here basically you can add your team member. I hope you get idea, guys, about this StoryDoc tool. The tool is really amazing and very easy to use. So if you think you need one very easy to use presentation creation tool, then I hope this StoryDoc will be helpful for you. And it has gotten very good reviews on AppSumo, so I think the tool will be helpful for you. And I'll give the link of StoryDoc in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on StoryDoc lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.